In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Perplexity AI for your assignments. The process involves crafting your queries in a way that ensures you receive the most relevant and structured responses for your academic needs. Start by opening Perplexity AI in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see a prominent search box on the main interface. This is where you will input your assignment request. The clarity of your query is crucial for obtaining useful results. When framing your query, think about how a professor would understand it. Be specific and include essential details such as the topic of your assignment, the desired word count, and the format you require. For example, you might write a 500-word essay on renewable energy sources with introduction, body, and conclusion. This level of detail helps the AI generate a response tailored to your needs. Next, specify your intended audience and the complexity level of the content. For instance, you could say high school level, clear and simple language. This instruction helps the AI adjust its tone and vocabulary to suit the audience you have in mind. Additionally, you may want to include any extra instructions that could enhance the quality of the output. You could add a request like include 3 real-world examples and cite sources where possible. This further guides the AI in producing a more comprehensive and credible draft. After entering your complete query, press the search button. Perplexity will process your request and generate a structured answer that may include paragraphs, bullet points, or summaries based on the specifics of your query. Review the output carefully to ensure it meets your requirements. Once the draft is generated, you can refine the content by asking Perplexity to modify it further. You may request it to make the text more concise, add additional examples, or explain concepts as if to a beginner. You could also ask the AI to check for accuracy and originality to ensure the work adheres to academic standards. Finally, use the AI output as a foundational draft for your assignment. It is important to paraphrase the content, verify the facts presented, and add your own references before submission to maintain academic integrity. This approach will help you produce a well-rounded and original piece of work